So we're installing the Diode Dynamic 3-inch pod lights today. We're going to be mounting them here on the Bronco mirror pod cowl. As you can see, it does say accessory mount here. So we're going to take my star head and go ahead and take that off and see how this comes apart. So we'll go ahead and put this in, unscrew this, get it to where I can get it with my fingers. Now it looks like this just comes off all in one piece. It doesn't look like the housing on the outside here separates. It looks like it's one whole piece. So we're gonna go ahead and take that off. Put that in my pocket so I don't lose it. And it just kind of wiggles, pull, and it will come off. And then down inside your mirror, you can see it's completely hollow. So I'm hoping what I can do is when I run this wiring, I'm going to run it down that seam across the back. And then on the back side of here, there's a small little access hole down so the wiring can go down in through there. We're going to try to fish the wiring down through the back side right here. Not this hole, because that's the clip for the mirror cap, but there's a small hole right down in there. Kind of see it. And then when it does, is if you look back on this side, back in that back corner, you can see where that wire would fish out. So we're going to fish the wires through there, back under through here, and then underneath the side of the hood, you can see the hood latch there. And then the wiring harness is down inside there for the Ford factory auxiliary switches, which we're going to be installing. So this is what it looks like with the mirror cap off, and then it's going to be a no drill system. I'm going to put that pod light back using factory hardware. So the factory star heads that come with your Bronco will fix it off-road if I need to.